నోట్, మీరు ఫ్యాషన్ స్టైలిస్ట్ కదా, సో స్టైలింగ్ కాకుండా హీరోయిన్ లా కూడా ఏమైనా ట్రై చేస్తున్నారా? యూ లుకింగ్ సో గార్జియస్.
Thank you so much. I feel really humble. Thank you so much for your compliments.
మీ కెరీర్ అనేది ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అంటే మీ స్టార్టింగ్ జర్నీ? డిడ్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ వాంటెడ్ టు బీ స్టైలిస్ట్?
No, it's a very interesting story that I love to share every time anybody is wanting to know. So after I finished my undergraduation from St. Mary's College, I did my undergraduation in psychology and mass media. Post that, I did a flying course. I was a trainee pilot with Andhra Pradesh Aviation Academy. I wanted to be a commercial pilot. Then again, they say it's the forces of destiny. Post that, I worked with DD News as a reporter and a TV anchor and also a news presenter. So I used to present, I used to cover South for DD News National. I also was a reporter, so I used to cover the budget sessions every year. Anytime the president was visiting any of the South Indian states, I would be the reporter to go and cover that event. I'm a drifter. I snap out of things very easily, so that kind of got very monotonous for me. I moved out, and a friend of mine who also is an ex-pilot, he was working with Wizcraft. He got me on board for IFA Utsavam. I worked on that project in the project management team. I raised funds for the event, and basically I was handling the whole event along with the team. That went great for me, and then post that I worked for IFA New York also, the Bollywood IFA. I was raising funds for that event as well. I was in sales, and also I was handling corporate hospitality package there. After that, I did a short summer school in New York, FIT, and 2018 early I was introduced very gladly to Mr. Allu Arjun, and I was hired as his personal stylist. And after that, fears of destiny, I couldn't have been happier. So that's how my styling career began.
ఆల్రెడీ అల్లు అర్జున్ గారికి ఒక ట్యాగ్ ఉంది, దట్ స్టైలిష్ స్టార్. సో హౌ హార్డ్ వాజ్ ఇట్ టు టు స్టైల్ హిమ్ అప్, బికాస్ హీ ఆల్రెడీ ఈజ్ అ స్టైలిష్ స్టార్?
It was tremendous pressure, because when I was hired, I knew that he has this certain image to himself. He's known as the stylish star, and no way I can not deliver something on par with his style that already is set, or I had to go a notch or two higher. Every time I take up a project of him or any event that he's styling, it's like my first day at work. I work with that equal zeal, equal effort I put in even after almost 2 years, almost 3 years now of working with him. Any event he's attending, it's like my first day at work. And I put in so much effort, so there is no loophole, or nothing is failing. That's how I see it. Not even with just Mr. Allu Arjun, even when I work with any of my other actors, it's like it's my first day at work, so I will put equal effort even after almost 3 years, the effort that I put for my first project. So I think that's what gives me the output. That's what keeps me going in styling. It's nothing monotonous. Every event that you're doing is different. Any brand endorsement that you're doing, the character is new. In the movie, the character is new. So there is so much new that's happening every day in my life. That's what keeps me going. If let's just say call time is 9, so we'll be there maybe 10 minutes before, and you can't afford to be, sometimes you think that okay, the call time is 9, you can afford to go at 9:15, 9:30. It does not work like that with him. You have to reach half an hour before if you're working with him. You have to be really alert when you're working with him. So I have like a bag with everything. I will have my pins and those clamps and scissors, and everything is like I am right there in front of his side, that okay, I am around if anything is failing. I literally rush to the set and I fix everything.
And